Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this GeoTools video, I am going to talk about the drawing cleanup tools. Now, this is perhaps one of the most important tools we have in GeoTools. In this section of tools, we have some functionality which is similar to those found in AutoCAD map, and this is used for various types of drawing cleanup, topology building, and so on. Some of the useful tools in this category include removing duplicate objects, partially overlapping entities, analyze and fix polyline elevation trends, which are useful in water network analysis. Two of GeoTools' most popular cleanup routines, namely LineWorks intersection processor and node line snap, can be found in this section. The LineWorks intersection processor is used to create nodes or just vertices at places where two linear segments intersect. This is an important step in topology building and drawing data cleanup. The node line snap tool, which we affectionately call the magnet command, is also a topology building and cleanup tool that is used to fix undershoot and overshoot or dangle errors, which are common in digitized map data. Many tools in this section are useful in photogrammetry data capture also, like the ones relating to adjusting polygons to have right-angled segments or checking for coincident points and so on. There are many more in this section. Please feel free to download a trial version and try it out. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.